we switch to long-lasting Pro Cell batteries, then we won't have to pay for a full-time battery changer.
Back up. We pay for a full-time battery changer?
We do, man.